She is a Polish girl in America, tall, tan, hot, blonde, core. I asked her, why would you wanna be a Hollywood wife? Because I don't wanna end up living in a Devon vine, a Devon vine. Air hostesses doing gossip magazine crosswords and a flight to JFK. 39 years old with a mile high chin, trying to stimulate a mind that is slowly starting to decay. I itch my skin to jump up and say, lady, I know why your thoughts turn